In this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Before we begin, make sure you already have two tabs open in your browser, one for Shopify and another for Meta Business Suite. Now go to your Shopify dashboard. On the left part of your screen, scroll down and click on Settings at the bottom. Once you're inside your Shopify settings board, look for Apps and Sales Channels and click on it. You will then be directed to the Apps Management board. At the top, there's a search bar. Type in Facebook and click on the first suggestion that appears. You will then be redirected to a new tab showing the Facebook channel installation page. Click on Install, and when it opens another tab, click Install again to confirm. After the installation, you will return to your Shopify dashboard, and a pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, click Connect Account. Next, you will see a setup window prompting you to connect your accounts. Just click Continue and follow the instructions. It will then ask you to allow Facebook to share your business assets with Shopify. Go ahead and click Allow. Wait for the connection to finish, and once it's done, your Shopify store will now be successfully linked to your Meta Ads Manager. And that's how to connect Shopify in Meta Ads Manager.